Go ahead.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom Petty from Petty Motorworks, and I want to share with you a repair we're doing on a vehicle. This is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. It has a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine in it, right? And it has a known issue with something called the roller follower. Tommy, can you come in and take a closer look at this? This is the follower, and as you can see, the axle of the follower is loose, right? This created a tapping noise in the engine. And as you might be able to see, there's also witness marks on both of these edges, right? That's where this was actually colliding with the camshaft, right? And as you can see by these witness marks right here, right? So if we ignore this problem and don't pay attention to this tapping noise, the camshaft will be damaged to the point of non-repairable, which is an extremely expensive repair. In this case, we're able to just replace just the defective follower. There's no permanent damage to the camshaft, so we saved this customer that issue. But that was only because they were attentive to the noise that their engine was making. So, the point of this public service announcement is don't ignore the noise in your engine. Ignoring it could make it 10 times worse. Thank you for being a patron of Petty Motorworks, and have a great day.